Good morning students, myself Dr. Lokesh Sharma, Associate Professor, Mahatma Gandhi Physiotherapy College. I am going to teach you today about knee injuries. So word resembles like knee. So we know all about knee joint. So we will see what all injuries commonly happens in knee joint. So knee injuries. So first is overuse knee injuries and second is acute knee injuries. So overuse knee injuries. So we will study so many knee injuries in this point. So first is iliotibial band friction syndrome. Second one is popliteus tendinitis. Third one is patellofemoral joint pain syndrome. Fourth one is patellofemoral synovial plica. Fifth one is infrapatellar fat pad syndrome. Sixth one is patellar tendinitis, that is jumper's knee. Seventh is pes anseris bursitis. So first one is iliotibial band friction syndrome. So in short we can also say ITB band syndrome. So tendon within fascial atta from iliac crest into Gerdy's tubercle tibia, knee flex 30 degree, ITB behind lateral femoral condyle, knee extended, ITB moves anteriorly, ITB syndrome, that is inflammation distally in the bursa between ITB and lateral femoral condyle. So what are the causes of ITB, iliotibial band syndrome? So first one is single leg hard run. Second is rapid increase in training distance. Third one is bank surface run, bench or shoulder of road, excessive hill running and discomfort over lower 3 cm iliotibial band, worse running downhill. On examination we will see crepitus, pain on compression over lateral femoral condyle, stretched ITB, leg malalignment, leg length discrepancy, excessive foot pronation, pelvic contralateral downward tilt. Treatment, that is first line reduction of training distance, NSAIDs, daily stretching ITB, correct orthosis, foot pronation, strengthen ipsilateral hip abductor, that is pelvic drop on gait analysis. Then what is treatment? Second line treatment, local inflammation of corticosteroid या फिर local infiltration of corticosteroids. Third line is surgery to divide ITB 3 cm above lateral femoral epicondyle, that is V-shaped defect etc. Popliteus tendinitis, that is second one, surrounds posterior lateral aspect of knee, stabilizer inflection by resisting forward displacement of the femur on the tibia. Less common but same cause as ITB. Discomfort anterior of shoulder, lateral collateral ligament and with resisted knee flexion with tibia held in external rotation. Treatment, reduction training distance, NSAIDs, stretching knee flexors, electrotherapy, corticosteroid injection. Female more than males. Most often seen in athletes presenting in adolescence and into the 4th and 5th decades. Pain under kneecaps, worse by climbing or descending hills or stairs, pain sitting down for long period, crepitus. Any sport could be associated with PFJ pain syndrome. PFJ मतलब patellofemoral joint pain syndrome. Then on examination, we will see crepitus, irritability of PFJ, small swelling, quadriceps weakness and wasting. So wasting will be vectus medialis muscle. Biomechanical factors included are wide Q angle, that is above 16 degree in male and 18 degrees in females. Small high patella, genu valgus, shallow intercondylar notch, pronated gait which increases IR of the tibia. Pain is a combination of repetitive increase of pressure over subchondral bone and tight reticular structures. Pressure over articular cartilage affects nutrition and results in degenerative changes. Vectus medialis dysfunction responsible failure to compensate tendency to lateral shift of patella. Vectus medialis re-education exercises, McConnell's tapping, drop squats, eccentric drills for 6 to 8 weeks, surgery, debridement and lateral release, patellar tendon realignment, correct wide Q angle. Then fourth one is patellofemoral synovial, that is plica. Remnants of the septa of embryonic joint usually present but asymptomatic. Symptomatic plica, medial patellar plica runs from suprapatellar pouch of the infrapatellar fat pad may implies of the medial femoral condyle and PFJ in flexion. For in PF synovial plica, that is we are continuing, aching on sitting down anteriorly, intense the first walking steps in the morning on examination, felt bend, medially mild effusion, pain or resisted knee extension made worse by gliding patella medially. Treatment, rest, NSAIDs, corticosteroid injection, if medial plica palpable, ortho excision. Fifth is infrapatellar fat pad syndrome. Repetitive hyperextension injuries, surgical interventions, pain on hyperextension over anterior knee region, part of patella baja, shorter patellar tendon from fibrosis, that is previous surgery or blocking knee flexion. Treatment, rest from hyperextension, that is Martial art, NSAID, electrotherapy, significant fibrosis, arthroscopic excision. Sixth one is patellar tendinitis, that is also known as jumper's knee. Repetitive extensors action of the knee with a generation of large eccentric forces, biomechanical analysis in basketball jumping and loading forces apply the greatest tensile forces in the patellar tendon when in landing. Gradual onset pain lower pole of patella associated with increased straining load, acute exacerbation. On examination, tenderness, swelling, crepitus, locally over tendon, quadriceps tightness and infrapatellar bursitis. Ultrasound or MRI, defect within the tendon. Histology. So what will be the histology? Tenoperiocytes of lower pole of the patella, granulations of the tendon deep its sheath, that is degeneration. Treatment, acute exacerbation, active rest, ice, NSAIDs, 6-week recovery. Chronic, first one is thermal, that is heat retaining sleeve. Then eccentric exercise, drop squat program, strengthen synergies of quadriceps. Treatment, footwear track surface taping patellar tendon. Surgery, excision inferior pole of patella and scarring from tendon, that is repair the tendon which are undergoing scar. 6-month recovery. 7th is pes answer is bursitis, that is bursa inflammation at medial aspect of upper tibia, burning localized pain when running, tight hamstring, inadequate stretching, previous hamstring injury, hamstring orientation training program. Treatment: stretching hamstring, NSAIDs, rest when acute local infiltration, orthosis. Thank you. We will continue with next class.